AI to me is the future, because what's happening right now is that everyone's starting to wake up and realize that doing all your inferencing in the cloud is not the best way to go. We're now starting to see this big surge in interest of moving all this inferencing out to the edge.
What's exciting is the adoption of Edge AI and the move away from centralized cloud processing to where the data is actually being generated and processed.